Very warm good afternoon to everyone. This is Shruti Anand, journalist at K12 News, and I'm very delighted as I'm virtually present with Mrs. Aparna. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good too. I hope everything is great, and by God grace, the quarantine is going well.
Yes, it's going on. It's a situation, and yes, it's showing us as how human beings, how much resilience we have to face any situation that we have and look towards it positively.
Absolutely. Aparna, ma'am, I like to know from you that do you think once this pandemic situation is over, what
Right.
will remain and what will be over in a life of a student?
See, what I think is that what will remain and what is over in the life of a student, situations will definitely come and go. If we
Mm-hmm.
give a very strong mental and emotional strengths, this background to the children, they'll be ready to face anything that comes in front of them. So right
Okay.
now, when we look at the situation, yes, we are facing time when the children cannot have their cannot come out of their homes. They're in isolation. They cannot have a peer meetings. They cannot connect bond with their peers. So that's a situation that we are on, and we all are literally on virtual media, and that's how we see each other and talk to each other. So we will definitely come out of it. A day will come when we will be again going through the same thing, but that is going to take a long time. Looking at the situation, we can know this much. So what is coming in front of us right now, that when you look at our children, we need to see that the skill that we need to pay attention towards them and what is going to remain with them is thinking intensively and thinking critically. These are the two things which we have to work and which should remain, and that actually that is the main thing that we have with education. True education is all about that only. And
Okay.
whatever changes that will come in the life is that yes, we are more technical, we are more on technology dependent. We are learning more to use technology better. We actually missed the bus, and we might have been learning must have learned technology before also, right? But yes, now the time has come, so we all are really working, and I can see that the children are really coming out very well. I see a very positive change in the children. I see that the children are adapting themselves very well to the situation. Adaptability is something that is making children go make them go forward, go getting in this situation.
I absolutely agree with you. We are actually receiving some positive responses, and the students are themselves very
Yes,
enthusiastic.
yes.
Okay. So another question, Aparna, that how do you think that this live session organized by NCCN is going to help the students? Like, what is your feedback on the agenda behind this
See,
seminar?
actually, I'm very, very and highly impressed by the agenda of the seminar.
Okay.
Today, skill education is a very, very important part of education. For
Mm-hmm.
example, I can tell you about it. I thought I'll speak in the conference, but yes, I would like to share with you right now that I come from a very small, beautiful town, Ratlam, which is in MP. And there I
Absolutely, it's
see,
beautiful.
yes, and you know what? That there I see that one of my friends, childhood friends, classmates, his son, who is 22 years old now, has finished, has done his MBA, and as he was doing his MBA, at this particular age, he opened a small scale industry, right? And he
Okay.
is already in profit in 6 months' time. So the skill, this particular thing, that okay, we are not learning just for a job. We are here
Mm-hmm.
teaching children to make them focus more on the skills also. They have to themselves. We have to make them so independent that they understand the skills what are there in them and develop them and move in the right direction. Everybody can't go on searching for jobs only, and this boy has done this, and I'm so highly impressed by him. So this particular this thing agenda that we have for this meeting is very important, because this is one time when academia, the entrepreneurs and the students, everybody is coming on the same platform. So when there's an easy interaction between us, the industries, the educationists, and the youth of today, when there's interaction in between them, so there are a lot of job orientation which open for them, lot of internship options will open for them, and the learning will be much better, and practical learning is any day better than theoretical learning.
Absolutely, it is. Indeed, it is. Thanks a lot. You actually inspired us with your words of wisdom. That was great. Uh,
Pleasure.
Thanks a lot, Aparna, for sharing the experience and the knowledge with the student. So this was me, Shruti Anand, journalist at K12 News, media partners NCCN. Thank you, Aparna.